If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The Color Curves command is designed to improve the overall tonal range in color images through the adjustment of highlights, shadows, and midtones in each color channel. This feature is best used for images that are overexposed or appear darkly backlit. To use this command, select Enhance, Adjust Color Curves from the menu bar. The Adjust Color Curves dialog box then appears and displays several different styles in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click a style and use the sliders to the right to adjust highlights, brightness, contrast, and shadows in the image. You will see the changes in the after part of the before and after preview that appears within the dialog box. Note that you can click the Reset button at any point to revert the image back to its original state. Click the OK button when you get the results you want, or click the Cancel button to close the dialog box without applying your changes. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.